Hi everyone. So after we have read the solar system article, we can see that the book compares planets in terms of time around the sun. Okay, so there's a concept of time around the sun, but sometimes it's really difficult to remember the names and the positions of the planets. So I have one little tip for you that's not here, but it's a tip of using a mnemonic device. So it's a sentence that you will remember all the time. So I'm going to give you the sentence. My very educated mother just served us nachos. Now, who can tell me what each capital letter stands for? Okay, here you have Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. So remember, for the purpose of this book, we are using this qualification of planet. Okay, so Pluto is not in here, but you will remember. My very educated mother just served us nachos. It's a little but effective way to remember the positions of the planets from the sun. So first we have Mercury, then we have Venus, then we have Earth, then we have Mars, then we have Jupiter, we have Saturn, we have Uranus, and then we will have Neptune, right? Neptune, without this, Neptune. Right? So we're going to remember the position by remembering that sentence. I want you to copy that sentence very quickly and put it in your brain. Okay? For remember the positions of the planet. Now, after we have done that, you can see, and I was talking to you about the concept of time, the revolving planets around the sun. How do we talk about time? We talk about time using a few words. We use words like centuries, minutes, years, hours, weeks, months, and days. So, for me to remember these words and the caliber or the size of them, not necessarily the translation, but I want to think of what do they mean, They mean time. So I'm going to do this graph, right? And we're going to fill this graph with circles. We're going to do circles to fill in this graph. So I'm going to start with the one that is the little here, minutes. And I'm going to put here the M for minutes, right? After minutes, what do we have? What is the word that has the more significance after minutes? Hour. So after minutes, we're going to do hour. Right? See that I have here singular and then plural hours. After hours, I want to think of what is composed of hours. What do we divide in hours? The day. So I'm going to put here a big round D for day. Let me make it cute. day. What other unit is composed of days? The week, right? What unit of time is composed of weeks? The month. Okay, I don't have more space in here, but you have more space in your notebook. So what you're going to do is, you're not going to make exactly this one. You're going to make another one that is different because I'm going to give you 2 more words. So I just provided you with this model, and you will do something similar but with 2 other words. The 2 other words I want you to use are decade and second. Right? What is a decade composed of? Think about it. Right? And what is composed of seconds? So I would put seconds in here, in the littlest part. Yeah? Then you have microseconds and all those things. But I want to do a chart that is different from the one I did, including decade and second. Okay? And it has years, centuries, months, all of those things. Do it in your notebook. Thank you.